and good morning. It's a beautiful morning here, guys, and I'm just going to go have my breakfast now, which is going to be banana bread with chai. Banana bread that I made yesterday in my own way. So I'm just going to show you guys that how I do it. Let's start. Hi guys, today we'll be making some banana bread. As everybody's making it, so I thought why not to make it too. But my version is a bit different because I make it with the whole wheat flour, and I would call it a bit healthy because whole wheat flour is healthy. So let's look at the ingredients that what we are going to use for this banana bread. Of course, we'll be needing some overripe bananas and some whole wheat flour. In that bowl, I've already added some baking soda along with some salt and freshly ground cinnamon powder. We'd be needing some light brown sugar, some vegetable oil, a bit of yogurt. If you don't have it, you can use milk, but it does give a little more moisture to the bread, so I like using yogurt. Otherwise, you can use milk too, or you can skip it altogether if you want. So we'll be needing some any type of nut that you'd like. I have some walnuts at home, so I'm using those. Otherwise, you can use pecan nuts, almonds, or any other nut you like to add. I also add some raisins and desiccated coconut in my bread, but since I don't have those at home like on hand at the moment, so of course would need to skip that. But the more the merrier. The more you're going to add the good stuff to your bread, is going to be more flavorful. Anyways, we'll be needing a couple of eggs and some vanilla essence, and of course a loaf pan. If you don't have a loaf pan, you can use a round pan or any other pan you have. To be honest, doesn't make any difference. At the end of the day, you're just going to have a bread. That's what matters. So let's see how we're going to make this bread. Let's start. I couldn't wait any longer and just cut a slice right away, but I would suggest let it cool completely before you start cutting it. This bread is best served warm or at room temperature, but to be honest, I've had it cold as well and it was equally delicious. You can keep this bread up to a week, and it is mildly sweet, so if you want, you can spread over some butter or jam if you like. But I like it on its own because it has its own significant flavor, which is delicious. That's all for now, guys. I hope you guys are going to give this recipe a try and will leave feedback. As always, all of the ingredients and their measurements, along with all of my social media handles, are mentioned in the description box below. Keep liking, keep sharing, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Shall be seeing you guys again with another of my recipes. In the meantime, please stay home, stay safe, and take good care of yourself and of your loved ones. Bye!